Think retirement means slowing down financially? Think again. Retirees across the world are using crypto and Forex to earn monthly income, fight inflation, and secure their future. And no, you don't need to be a tech expert to do it. In this video, I'll show you exactly how retirees, from the US to Africa, are using simple tools to turn their pensions into passive income. Whether you're 55 or 75, you can start today. Open a trusted account on Coinbase or Binance. Use a demo Forex account on OctaFX or FBS to practice with fake money. Secure your crypto with two-factor authentication and a wallet like Exodus or Ledger. You can stake coins like Ethereum or Matic and earn somewhere between 4 to 10% yearly. And it's all passive. Or you could copy professional Forex traders and earn weekly returns without having to trade yourself. Here's how you can create a simple mix: 40% staking, 30% copy trading, 20% in stablecoins, and 10% as a cash buffer. Then, you just withdraw monthly. Kind of like getting a pension paycheck. It's really not too late to build digital wealth even if you're already in retirement. All you need is a safe plan, the right tools, and, well, just a little consistency. You can download the full Retire Richer guide with step-by-step strategies, tools, and even case studies. Just check the link in the description. Don't just retire, retire smarter. And hey, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs to hear it.